I am NicoD. So I've gotten something today from the mailman. I've gotten this from Werner and Igor from Armbien. So let's open it together. Oh my god. Was ist das? Das ist die Debug-Adapter. Dankeschön, Werner. Und hier wir haben Dankeschön. Can you guess what it is? Oh my god, this feels good. Oh yeah. Oh my god. It's a lot different than I thought. It weighs quite a lot. But it feels really expensive. Oh, the hinge is that expensive. But it is good, it isn't going to wobble. There's something I have to read there. And it's QWERTY. Is it UK? Yes, it is UK. That's very good. It's the same keyboard as I'm used to using. So that is very good. So here we have got the Pinebook Pro. So this has got the RK3399. It looks brand new. There's not a speck on it. It really looks nice. So this is made by Pine64. I already showed this when it was still in development on FOSDEM. So this is the first time I see it for real, the finished product, and it is really beautiful. I didn't think it would look this well made. It is nice, it is nice. Yeah, it's very thin. Yeah, I'm used to old laptops that were centimeter thick, and this is very thin. The display is thin. Also this is thin. So this is very nice. So let me put it here. Oh yeah, it looks so nice. And it was packed very well. 10 points for that, Werner. It just was my birthday, so 3 days ago was my birthday. Yesterday I bought a new chair. This one, as you see. Or yesterday I got this chair. I bought it 3 days ago, 4 days ago. And now I've got this chair. And I also have got this, the Pinebook Pro. Here's a Pine64 power cable. So I guess this will fit. Let's try. Yes, it does fit. So it is 5 volts. So I'm gonna put it in my charger. Okay. There's no lights. Okay. Now the power is on. Not much is happening. Oh, there it is. Sometimes you have to have patience. It is working! So it is set up for somebody else, because somebody else would have bought it, but he didn't react, and so I saw the message that it was for sale. I said, yeah, I really want a Pinebook Pro. Yes, I really want a Pinebook Pro. And then Igor said, yes, you're getting it from me. What? So I've got it from Werner, who bought it and who then sold it again for a very cheap price. He actually only asked money for the NVMe drive. So we are in Armbian. This is awesome. Display is nice. Let me check my other display. I think this one is a little bit bigger. No, they are the same. So it is the same size as my travel display. That is great. That is just awesome. That is awesome. It's just the same display. It's the same size panel. That is great. So what I've got now is, instead of this SBC and this display, I now have this, a full laptop. Oh, I love it. I just love it. Let me see the battery. It's charging 47%. Yeah, it's great. Oh, I love this thing. It really looks great. I don't have a modern laptop, so for me this is great. People who are used to x86 laptops, they might not want this, because this runs ARM. ARM isn't as easy to work with as other things. You have to know everything, but I'm so used to working with an RK3399 because my NanoPi M4 version 2 was my desktop computer for more than a year. It now died, but I will install another RK3399 to be my desktop computer. Or maybe use this, because it has got a display, it has got a keyboard. I could use this every day over here. There is place enough on my desk to put it here and have my main computer there, and I can still put a display next to it, so that is great. I just love it. I love it. I love it. The only thing that I don't like that much is this touchpad, but I think with changing some settings you can make it move a little bit quicker, but I never use a touchpad actually. So it has got 4 gigs of RAM and 2 gigs of swap space, so ZRAM. And it has got 6 cores. Well, this isn't a review yet. I will review this. I will first work with it for a few weeks until I'm sure I know all the quirks of it. And then I will make a review video about it. So, thank you all for watching. This was my first unboxing video and I will probably never do it again. But I'm so happy to have this. I can use Armbian on a laptop that looks so nice, that is so thin. I can take this safely with me. I will put it in the same box as I used for my display. So with that it will be very safe, very protected when I'm traveling. Thank you, Werner and Igor. I'm so excited with this. Thank you so much. See you all later. Bye. And don't forget to buy something nice at the Armbian swag store. So swag.armbian.com. You can treat yourself on something nice and support Armbian at the same time. So thank you.